Alrighty, staff. So here is a new resource that you can utilize with your scholars as well. It's going to Padlet.com. So what you're going to do is go to the login button. You're going to log in with your Google account. Now, mine is already preset. If yours isn't, you're going to use your at p12fwps.org account. So once you get to the main screen, then you can make a new Padlet or you can join a Padlet, which is what you're going to do today when responding to the one final word prompt for the How to Be an Anti-Racist workbook. But for now, right now you're at the Make a Padlet stage where you get to pick a template. You have a nice array of different choices where you can have just a wall, you can have a canvas where they interact with each other, a stream, so similar to like a Facebook feed, a grid, a shelf where you can have different categories, a back channel where they communicate to each other like a chat room, a map, or a timeline. We're just going to do something simple called a wall. And over here on the side is where you can change all the different backgrounds. I'm just going to go with the cool texture really quick. And then from there, you can also choose your font and any other features you could just play around with. All right. So now we can definitely start posting, but we want to make sure that we put our prompt up here. Alrighty. And from there, you can click Save, Close. Now you can see that the title and the description is listed. If you like to add to this, you press the button, and then you can say, okay, sentence, my word, and my final word is reflecting. And over here, you have several options that you can also do as well. You can take a picture, you can insert a link. Over here, the three dots gives you a whole list of options. I really like the draw option where you can literally draw on something really cool. So I'm hit save, and then it pops up.